Hi, I'm going to show you how to use the Advanced Search and Update report. So we're going to go into Reports and click on Advanced Search and Update. So this report runs on your status codes. These are all the different status codes in this system, in my demo. I want to send a letter to claims that I know I imported with the status of first in demand. So what I want to do is change the claim ender date to claim last update, or I could leave it claim ender date, but I'm going to change it to claim last update. I'm going to change the start and end date and just go back 1 year. I'm going to change the all to other, and my scroll menu will change. So instead of selecting all of the statuses, I'm going to select a particular status. And you can do the same thing with these. If I wanted just the closed statuses, all this closed statuses come up. Litigation, anyway, other, and I want to find first demand. What is it? Here it is, first demand. I'm going to leave all of this the way it is. I'm not going to change anything. And I know these claims are new, so I know there are no comments, there's no payment history, there are no payments on these claims. So I'm going to go ahead and view report. And 42 claims come up with the status of first demand right here. So now what I want to do is generate a letter for each one of these claims. So I'm going to click check all, and I put a check mark in all my boxes. Then I'm going to come over here and click tools. This opens up my tool sections. Each one of these quadrants works independently of each other. So I want to, like I said, send a letter or generate a letter for all of these claims. And I'm also going to change the status from closed to open, and I'm going to send the second demand letter. This status comment would be for your clients. I would say something like the first demand letter has been sent, sending second demand shortly, something like that. But I'm not going to put anything in the box. But down here, this is where I would select my 10-day demand letter or my Regulation F letter, depending on what I want to send. I'm just going to select 10-day demand, and I would hit generate letter. Once I hit generate letter, a letter will pop up for each one of those claims. And if I right click and hit print, then I can see each of my letters in the correct format. And here it is. You can also put an electronic signature on your templates. So here are my 35 letters with pages in between. I don't know why. So there's my letters. And if I go into the claim, hopefully it will say that in the notes that a letter was generated. And here it is. 10-day demand letter generated. I still have my first demand status code. And that's how you use the Advanced Search and Update report. Thank you for listening.